Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Drive plugin on Bitnami Redmine virtual image. In this example we are going to use the VirtualBox as a software for virtualization. However, you're free to use any other software that you like. It could be VMware, for example, or anything else. Okay, so we open our VirtualBox and we see that we have Bitnami Redmine 511 stable here. So we click on Start and just wait for the Redmine to start. Just to say that we are also having a video demonstration of installing the Redmine Bitnami itself. So this VirtualBox. If you'd like, you could check it in our documentation. Okay, so we are now going to log in into the backend of our Bitnami Redmine via the Bitnami user and password. These are the default ones. I have not changed them at all. Alright, so here we say that the Redmine Bitnami is located onto this address. If you'd like to double check this, you could do it via the command hostname I. So here it is confirmed that this address is the one for Redmine. If you'd like to double check this, then you go to this address and wait a couple of seconds for Redmine to run. Yeah, Redmine just needs some time to load its processes because it has just started. It depends on your computer how fast it is going to be. Alright, so our Redmine has just started. And when we go to administration, then information, we see that here is Redmine 511 stable and some list of already installed plugins. And at the end of this video we are going to have the Redmine Drive plugin. Okay, let's go back to our command line and just change the directory to opt Bitnami Redmine plugins. And if we list them, we see that this list is the same as this. Alright, so we're going to double look at the latest Drive plugin version. So this is my way of getting the plugin here. I mean downloading it. However, you can use other method. It could be, for example, when you go to machine here and then file manager, and here on the left you will see your host machine, or this is your computer. On the right it is the guest machine, or this is the Bitnami Redmine. So you can use your username and password and log in here, and afterward it could be easily transferred via just copy paste with these arrows here. Okay, and also there are other ways of sharing the files. It is up to you which one you can use. In my current example, I'm going to use the wget. Alright, so I just pasted the link that is pointing to the latest Drive plugin. Actually, I see that it has a mistake. Okay. So wget, and this link is pointing to the Drive plugin version, which is the latest one here. Okay, so we click enter and it is now saved. If you'd like to double check this, then we list, and here it is, Redmine Drive zip file. Now we are going to unzip it via the unzip command, and then remove the zip file itself because we are no longer needing it. And now, just to double check again, we see that our Redmine Drive plugin is here. So now we proceed further. We just move to the previous folder or directory, that is the core Redmine directory, and run bundle install. It is going to install all the needed gems for your Drive plugin. Okay, we see in green that 87 gems are now installed, and in orange this is just a couple of warnings, so please ignore them. They are related only to our developers. So yeah, they're not going to harm the plugin version or plugin work. There are going to be no errors or something like that. These are just warnings. Okay, so the next step that we have to do is to run the migration. The migration is bundle exec rake Redmine plugins and name of the plugin, which in our case is RedmineUP Drive, and the environment, which in our case is production. Okay, so we wait for the database migrations to start. Maybe some time is needed here as well. Okay, so they are now running and just finished. So we see Drive entries, okay, add column, and so on. All database tables are migrated for the Drive plugin. So this step is successfully done. And the very last step is to restart everything. It is done by the command sudo opt bitnami control script restart. Here it is, restarting services. You can do it in another way by just shutting down the virtual machine and then start it again. It is going to do the same thing. However, this command is doing this in a faster way. Okay, so let's go back to our Redmine and just refresh the page to see what has happened. Alright, so our page has just refreshed and we see that the Drive plugin is now appearing here into our Redmine 511 stable. Okay, so we have done our job successfully. If you would like to see other videos and articles from RedmineUP about installation and anything else, please don't hesitate to check our channel on YouTube. Bye bye.